Welcome y'all. In this video we will go through ONLYPULT, the social media scheduler and analyst. I have been using this software for the last year. So let's find out its pros, cons and why you might find it useful. Layout. Easy to work with and everything is where you would expect it to be. On the left you have all your accounts with the option to add another. On the right your current posts, stories and IGTV. And in the center is where will you spend all your time. All your tools are up here. Same goes for the schedule tab. You got your text, your content and your scheduling time. Nothing to go wrong here if you don't want to do a bit of editing. You can't edit videos but you have rather good options to give a good tune to your photos. You can add your location as well as look for photos on Pixabay, which I'm sure no one will ever use. It will also tell you how many hashtags you're using, if you have used these hashtags too often in the last few posts, how it will look and more. It's very easy to figure out and to work with. One downside here is that if you accidentally click off the site or accidentally close the tab, which will happen if you're jumping across tabs and not using shortcuts. This will be especially frustrating if you got a week worth of posts ready and then you can use ONLYPULT with many social media apps. But the best and the one you are probably interested in using is Instagram. You are not gonna use for your blog nor for YouTube. You can add TikTok or Pinterest but that's probably as far as I would go. TikTok and Pinterest are however semi-automatic, which means that you can schedule it and you can then post it through your phone. You get the point? It's easier but not fully automated as Instagram is. Stick with Instagram is what I'm saying. So, how about the graphs?
Look at this graph.
Okay.
You got everything that you would find in the business account analytics on Instagram. How much followers you got at what point? How's your specific post doing? On what hashtags are you ranking? One great things is that you can get an Excel report or PDF report, which doesn't work properly. The main things for me was that I wanted a scheduler and I didn't want to activate business account. This allowed me to get the analytics and also be able to schedule my posts. Price will depend on how many accounts you are managing. I own 5 accounts so I'm going for SMM plan for $21. When we compare prices to other popular schedulers, you can see that ONLYPULT is the cheapest here. Now, I'm sure that there is cheaper option out there but I would still consider ONLYPULT cheap. Plus ONLYPULT has one feature that sends it to the top. You don't need an business account. Check the link below for the 10% off as well. So, would I recommend this software? Yes. It's a great scheduler and it's cheap with no need to activate a business account. If you're looking for a scheduler, I don't think you can go wrong with ONLYPULT. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And thank you for watching.